So Labdi Allah says, I am from Madi Bahauddin, Pakistan. Mandi Bahauddin, Pakistan. Well, welcome. Good to see you here. Omer RX says, good day, sir. I'm Omer from South India. Welcome, Omer. I recently graduated for computer science engineering, and I was wondering whether to get my master's or to get a job. Yeah, that's always a good question. And I've had this question before, and I just think that the decision to get a master's or not is a very personal one, because there's too many factors at play for me to really be able to advise someone. You know, there could be factors related to your interest, to your maturity, to your finances. You know, in some countries getting a master's is free, in others it's not. So it really just depends. You know, the only thing I can really do is share my experience. For me, I had a long gap between my undergrad and my master's studies. But that's because I could, you know, make pretty good money straight out of undergrad. I graduated at a great time when the job market was very strong. So that was my decision. But, you know, it might be different for you. So I really can't advise anybody properly on that.